Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like my video, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next update. This Saturday marked a significant occasion for the Spanish royal family, as King Felipe and Queen Letizia presided over Hispanic Day celebrations, a date of great importance in Spain's calendar. Joining them was Princess Leonor, as they attended the military parade at 11 a.m. on Madrid's Paseo de la Castellana. Unfortunately, the festivities were dampened by relentless rain that fell throughout the event. There is always considerable excitement surrounding Queen Letizia's outfit for the National Day, and this year she did not disappoint. She chose a striking red dress adorned with a bow, perfectly complemented by elegant ruby earrings that added a touch of sophistication to her look. To protect herself from the rain, Queen Letizia carried an umbrella and wore a new trench coat during the parade, which obscured the details of her dress. The trench coat was quite voluminous, featuring an integrated belt that she stylishly tied with a bow and wide sleeves. Due to its size, it was challenging to see the dress underneath, but glimpses revealed a vibrant red design. The dress, which is not new to her wardrobe, was first showcased at the 10th edition of the Honorary Ambassadors of Brand Spain. This elegant piece from the now-defunct brand Poet features a high-waisted skirt that falls gracefully, with a slight flare at the hem. The blouse includes a charming neck bow, sheer sleeves, and button details at the cuffs, showcasing Queen Letizia's flair for fashion. In terms of jewelry, she opted for ruby earrings from Aldeo, which beautifully complemented her overall look. To complete her ensemble, Queen Letizia carried a large red clutch and wore comfortable heeled shoes, ensuring she could stand for extended periods without discomfort. Given the long hours required for the parade and the subsequent reception at the Royal Palace, where they greet nearly 2,000 guests, selecting appropriate footwear was crucial for Her Majesty. She chose stylish yet practical Magritte shoes with heels slightly over 3 centimeters, balancing elegance with comfort. #, a day of tradition and unity. The celebrations of Hispanic Day hold deep significance for the royal family and the nation as a whole. It is a time to reflect on Spain's rich cultural heritage, honoring the contributions of Spanish-speaking countries around the world. The event serves as a reminder of the historical ties that bind Spain to Latin America and other Spanish-speaking regions. Throughout the day, the royal family engaged with various dignitaries and representatives from diverse communities, reinforcing the message of unity and friendship. Queen Letizia's participation in these events exemplifies her commitment to promoting social issues and supporting cultural initiatives. As the rain fell, it did not dampen the spirits of the attendees or the royal family. Instead, it became a symbol of resilience, representing the ability to come together and celebrate despite challenges. The day was filled with moments of connection, laughter, and heartfelt tributes to those who have served the nation. Queen Letizia's elegant attire and gracious demeanor highlighted her role not only as a member of the royal family, but also as a modern, relatable figure who embodies the values of compassion and strength. Her fashion choices, often closely followed by the public, continue to inspire many, reflecting her keen sense of style, while also honoring her royal duties. In conclusion, Hispanic Day 2024 was a memorable occasion marked by tradition, elegance, and the royal family's unwavering commitment to their role as ambassadors of Spanish culture and heritage. Queen Letizia, with her stunning red ensemble and poised presence, left a lasting impression as she celebrated this important day with her family and the nation. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Spanish monarchy. Thanks for watching till the end.